for Yamamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So yes, right. And there your first time waha subscribing and clicking notification bell on so am na metro send obeye na yatia yen komo so ebeba screen so sisi amesre eba ye ne sa pepepe am na breaking news a eba no said mo amunim no news bia breaking news trending stories bia ba you are covered internet de bia make us subscribing and click okay na that screen so send you be subscribing na one clicking notification bell on so no aha na yanko yensem so a some businessman bi Lebanese businessman be ababonte issue a Kennedy Japan. Yakasa with you na naturally what the Kennedy Japan court. Say court ma yanje a 100 million Ghana cedis in free Kennedy Japan ho emma wono Lebanese businessman or if we say Kennedy Japan then same be atuja wono a Lebanese businessman no just say a long way and some etiana amane lusu a contract and in Yama Ewon for her. Now, any say last year, December, na Kennedy Japan was campaigning strongly against Anas Arimeyawa Anas. Now, one of those campaigns, Nimuna, MC Kennedy Japan ko yi video bi na Lebanese businessman we ewom. And I watch commentary Kennedy Japan e pass with ya. No say papa nenso e kan omo a womo ye fraud ni hu bi. Sana Kennedy Japan kan o say papa no Lebanese businessman no. Akabomo womo ye fraud ni hu bi ene nyama chese nsema waka fa Lebanese businessman ni hu no ohwa na senya mo amunim Kennedy Japan sa time sisi ade oye cool sisi Kennedy Japan na ye cool ba senya mo amunim se sa time no senya na woko ewo ne nsem so no aha ototoma Lebanese businessman no na we na Lebanese businessman no o chese we follow up on the matter. And I will call a year net 2 any Kennedy Japan because net 2 no mu ye sa video no sa documentary no enti on net 2 any Kennedy Japan any lawyer set na say e no mo kasa e no check Kennedy Japan say Mr. Mo sa ansema mo aka fa me ho no enye ne kre say what the prove any document e ba ya or say nsema Kennedy Japan e kan e wo net 2 e fa ono Lebanese businessman ho no enye ne kre enti o shra Sema Kennedy Japan ya atudwa no munya munim se Kennedy Japan yo bi a wakasa nkofo agidi nti okachen se sema ode atudwa no ebema wono papa no be lose ne business contacts nti o share Kennedy Japan wa Kennedy Japan and retract sansem no ena according to papa na the lawyers no yes Kennedy Japan and the nkofo etiase omo yo mo adwen say okay ya tiase ya be retracted. But say one Kennedy Japan anima ene net 2 say ade amoa ati ase say oh afa de mo behu say eye ne kre na me no mente sa se ne amokan e wo documentary ni mo behu say enya sa na mete no for 3-4 months ni still mo retractation mo amba bonti am be ka hwe say wo nsema ye kafa papa we hu no eye ntro meanwhile me ne me lawyers ene mo ehia ye no mo ti ase say oh why a mistake na mo be retracted afi ya day na sisi a over 3-4 months still mo fa retraction bi am by na papa ne say de na yapa ne say we lose a business contract senior what can say in some Kennedy Japan di tu na be man lose business contract no see indeed wo hwe sika bia na ke so onya sika namba because investors are omo ne ye adwuma no omo ni ase Kennedy Japan na yi video say wono papa no we fraud guy or a scammer intino senior wonim no investor bia de say ye bo din bone e wa bonten a obi ani wo obeka so de ne sika be show mu int investors ni nia omo yo madwen so mo fa omo sika enhye na ejuma wo ye ne biom intino wo hwa we loses capa intia wo su Kennedy Japan any net 2 asem ne say Kennedy Japan pe no osu net 2 so because net 2 ena wo mo show sa documentary no ena net 2 also belongs to Kennedy Japan until osu Kennedy Japan any net 2 at the tune of 100 million Ghana cedis. Now 100 million Ghana cedis no so you share current a year dollar cedi rate now 100 million Ghana cedis be close to $20 million. $20 million and no any sika wo si Kennedy Japan some one who say Kennedy Japan any Anas and so were court for defamation and also 25 million Anas is Kennedy Japan so ansem ni nia wo ho ansa na Lebanese businessman we a day abeboso. Now TV3 for and report on this story. Now me read your article on Troy and what assembly. Almost say Kennedy Japan net 2 sued for defamation to cough up 100 million Ghana cedis. Now me read your say Lebanese-born Ghanaian businessman Hassan Zain has taken a legal action against Net2 Television and its owner Kennedy Ohene Ejapon for showing him in a documentary. Therefore, I say, according to Mr. Zain, efforts to get the Asin Central Member of Parliament and the media firm to retract and consequently apologize has proven futile. Not just say, was say, why your efforts are say Kennedy Japan on retract the Sansem now one mother to a year two no, but the effort niano has proven futile. Not just say, any idea. In some Wakacha Kennedy Japan say on retract no Kennedy Japan are retracted. Now a rate cited by 3news.com quotes 100 million Ghana cedis as the damages being demanded by the businessman. According to the plaintiff, the showing of the documentary in December has defamed him and damaged his reputation. Not just say the world can say in some Kennedy Japan can a fast documentary no show you know. Commentary a woman and some no sebe a defaming no and a damaging the reputation and so send your mom in the meeting can catch him say Kennedy Japan you'll be a wakasa and go for AGD into the sebe so wakas and be nanya the crack still ubenyan crofobia on BGD in the papa say the reputation a damage Kennedy Japan are damaging the reputation. Now the documentary is said to have shown Mr. Zain in fraud, drugs, money laundering and corruption dealings. It's here for in some of what they are to Jano. No, I say documentary na Kennedy Japan is show you know. Documentary na Kennedy Japan is show you know. A trace say Papa no he deals in fraud, drugs, money laundering and the corruption deals. Na we share in some kesia documentary na editor Papa ne so a we say we there will be no e will be ya nipa kono obviously obetwe ne ho afie ho because obi a wo ye fraud enya fraud nko a osanso ye drugs money laundering osanso ye money laundering e for a very big issue a very big issue. Now what I also say media article ne so was say it said he had swindled his victims in Togo, Nigeria, Mali, Benin and other countries. Not just a documentary no a trace or no papa no a Lebanese businessman no sebe wa yen krofo bi bukata ewo Togo, Nigeria, Mali, Benin and other countries. And then nsema Kennedy Japan video no wakan ewom it's here for a very serious issue. Now min quoting nsema the lawyer no kan o say plaintiff avers that the video clip together with the commentary and the discussions that followed soon after the clip were highly and seriously defamatory and damaging to his reputations and businesses, the rate noted. It said by the scope of the broadcast all over Facebook and Ken City Media's various platforms, Mr. Zain's partners rebuked him and continue to do so while others withdraw their contracts. Na in Spanish air can say senya Kennedy Japan den send ne tu dwa no eye papa no ne business partners ni nia no omu bu na ten say say Kennedy Japan na aka say afa ho dia na ne kre eye de a wo yes a fraud any money laundering no any drugs no nti say ne kre say Kennedy Japan aka nsem we a ene ne kre nti yen no ye ne wo enye business biom nti omo de omo sika e man say omo ye business nia no wo mo je omo sika e fin nsem biom we ne nsem a omode atuja that could have or has the potential of earning him more income, revenue, or obtain him business opportunities and among other resources. Not just say in some omode atuja say what shall send yankofo withdraw omo partnership from him no and man ni sika sem ekọ fom because normally no she sika na keso onya no sisia we nya biom. It said lawyers of the plaintiff met Mr. Ejapon and management of Net2 Television for an amicable settlement of the issue. The writ stated the defendants assured the businessman of getting those behind the videos arrested. The defendants also assured of retracting the commentary done after the showing of the documentary. Not just say Abrante said me din kan na Abrante no any Kennedy Japan Abrante no Lebanese businessman no the lawyers any Kennedy Japan lawyers etena ase eno mu hu say ensema Kennedy Japan de tu dwa no sebe enye sa na etie ene Kennedy Japan na nkasa realize say oh eye no kre enti no me withdraw ensema me de atu dwa no me withdraw na ye just say plaintiff asseverates that after more than 3 months defendants refused and or neglected to do all that they promised to do to help salvage the sinking reputation of the plaintiff. Its negligence cost. Not just say, "Omoni Kennedy Japan got to say, a check Kennedy Japan say, and you say, only prove any yamono, the lawyers Kennedy Japan, so then the lawyers no. Kennedy Japan tia was say indeed, documentary no, and answer more what it to ja FA a year or no Lebanese businessman no, and yan the no Kennedy Japan, wabeshe say your best of your no. But so I show him over 3 months ni a Kennedy Japan a show sa no and over 3 months ni a Kennedy Japan e make his promise no say we be retract this ansem no o ma hwe ni say Kennedy Japan be retract this ansem no but still one retract it nti am still and the businessman no say be omu njinindi. Mr. Zain is therefore seeking an order from the High Court to have Mr. Agyapong and his media firm pay him 100 million Ghana cedis and also offer an unqualified apology. It's for when it's a man one more day atuja. Chewadrin ewo comment box ni mu. Chewadrin ewo comment box ni mu. Osha ensema Kennedy Japan aka ye de nim Abrante no according to the rate no rate so the sebe ntumi nkotwa ntro wom according to the rate no o se Kennedy Japan ti ase so no Kennedy Japan ni mistake. But still one bar bunting and be apologize. Chewadrin ewo comment box ni mu. Me da say.